It was part of the transition into practice process that I think the State Bar of Nevada sponsors, and I did mine at a pro bono provider, and so that gave me an opportunity to get a feel for the need that exists within the community. I was very surprised to see the large number of persons that were unrepresented. And then when I would periodically take a continuing legal education class, I would again be exposed to just large numbers of persons that were unrepresented, needed assistance, and didn't know where to turn. And so through both Legal Aid Center and others out there, I was able to contribute in a meaningful way and learn about who was in need and offer some things to the equation. I think it was the opportunity where I got a chance to merge my professional life with some of the pro bono work that I was doing, and it was in the area of housing. And over the last few years, as you know, Nevada has really struggled with its housing economy, and helping homeowners has been a priority at all levels of government in Nevada. And so I had a case where an elderly couple was facing foreclosure and really did not know where to begin. They had lost their business, they had tried refinancing their home, and here they were finding themselves where they should have been enjoying their golden years, and instead found themselves on just the losing end, unfortunately, of a bad housing situation. And so talking with them, working with them, assisting them at the foreclosure mediation process, interacting with the legal representative for the bank on their behalf. It was very meaningful, and I could tell that these persons were extremely touched by the fact that someone would give of their time to help them navigate a very complicated scenario for most of us, dealing with home ownership issues, housing issues, mortgage issues, the frustrations of dealing with banks, unfortunately, where there aren't a lot of persons on the ground to talk to. And so having somebody that they could turn to for questions and answers, it was very meaningful, I think, all the way around. I do it because it gives me an opportunity to contribute, but also gives me a chance to branch out into some other areas of law that I don't do on a daily basis. And so it gives me some fluency in things like family law or things like bankruptcy, things that I would not ordinarily come into contact with. And it just makes a world of difference when you look at persons who do not know their rights, do not even know that they have rights, and look at persons who have been educated as to their rights and how their interests can be advanced. It is a stark contrast when persons are situated in one scenario or the other, knowing their rights versus not knowing they even have rights, and then having an attorney there to advocate on their behalf. Is something that I think is a crucial benefit, and it's just something that's very enjoyable to be a part of.